Today I'd like to show you how to work with reports. For example, let's take a look at the actuals for our profit centers. The fields ledger, ledger fiscal year, and the key date are filled by default. To get a better overview of which parameters are selected, I unhide the navigation panel. I'd like to see the figures for this year. Since the ledger fiscal year is already filled, I simply click on Go. This report shows the measures for our profit centers and GL accounts. By default, the dimensions Profit Center and GL account are specified under rows and are displayed at the left of the report. The measures are specified under columns. The dimensions for the measures include actual amounts in different currencies and the quantities. Now I'd like to see these figures according to company code as well. So I select the dimension company code from the available fields and click the row button to add it as a row. Then I position it so that I see the company code first. The company codes are now displayed as the first dimension in the table. I want to see only the ID of the company codes and the profit centers, so I removed the descriptions from the table. I'd like to see the figures for one company code only. I select the company code and click on Go. And the report now displays the financial information for this company code only. You can use the buttons on the context menu to filter, sort, display, and structure your report. By selecting a hierarchy, you can display your report in a more structured way. To be able to select any option from the context menu, you have to make sure a corresponding field in the table is selected. If you don't do that, the options remain grayed out. For demonstration purposes, I will remove the GL accounts from the report. I select the profit centers, and then I select a corresponding hierarchy. This way you can see how the postings are distributed throughout various hierarchy levels. If you want to see who the person responsible for the profit centers on the key date specified above is, you can select the profit centers, then select Add Attributes from the drill-down menu, and add that parameter to your report. The information is derived from the data you've defined in the master data. You can also display your report as a graphic. Make sure that your report only includes currencies from the same company code. You can also choose to export your report as an Excel or a PDF. These are some of the key functionalities of working with reports, and there are lots of other features. Just try them out.